video, we unlocked the Japanese rice water beauty secret, revealing top skincare products that harness its power for glowing, youthful skin. If you haven't watched it yet, be sure to check it out. Korean ginseng glow, the anti-aging secret. Next, let's talk about Korea's powerful anti-aging secret, ginseng. For centuries, Korean queens used ginseng-infused oils and masks to maintain wrinkle-free, firm skin. Modern studies show that ginseng boosts collagen production and protects against skin aging. It's basically a natural Botox alternative. But who has time to boil ginseng roots for hours? Instead, brands have bottled up this magic in Korean ginseng serums, masks and toners. And yes, they're available on Amazon too. Check out the links in the description for more details.